Look at this black thing off to the left here, guys.
Right. See it up in the top,
right like to the corner where my corner of my picture is, right there.
Yep.
Now I don't know what that is or how big that is, but certainly, and it doesn't look like it's flying. Could it be a helicopter? You know what I mean? Like it's not moving across the screen at all.
Right. It looks very stable. Oh, it's moving now.
I think.
What is that?
Because it's not moving.
Mel said you can see the drone firing. Now, that would be breaking news, right?
Something did just leave it.
It did.
Something did just leave this, folks. This is unbelievable. So watch this. Let me see. I'm going to go in tight here. Watch. See that? Something just left that device, whatever that is.
It damn sure did.
Right there. And by the way, it coordinates. Okay, let's watch it. Watch something leave and then count till it explodes. Boom, there it goes. 1, 2, 3. That's pretty timely. Like if that thing was moving. Release. Wow.
Yeah. Oh, I just talked to the wrong phone. That's how many devices I've got going.
Okay.
I picked up my other phone to talk to you, and there was nothing there. I mean, you ought to see the spaghetti. Cindy and I have our phones and everything to chargers because we're on them so constantly, and the cords are all wound up like dogs. You know, when dogs get their leashes all tied up.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm like, how did we do this?
Hey, 1,200 on 1,262. We got 1,300 between Facebook and Twitch, and another almost 300 on YouTube. Welcome, everybody. I'm David Snedeker. This is The Indoctrination, and we are exposing the people that mean to do us harm. And here we're going to go in tight on this, whatever that thing is, and I'm going to play it, and I'm going to pause it as soon as we see something released from it. See that? What's coming out of there? It kind of disappears behind the smoke. I'll show you that again. Let's go in tight. Right there. Did you see it?
Yep, there it is. See it? It's separated.
Look at that.
There it is.
Boom. Right there.
I think we just saw a tactical nuke, but basing on the size.
Yep.
Because I just saw a side-by-side of the explosions of that and a mother of all bombs, the Moab. Vincent Kennedy had a Moab video that he played.
Yep.
And that explosion had every intensity of a Moab. And for that to be that small, that would have to be a tactical nuclear device, in my opinion.
All right, so I'm going to go back to this, and right after it's released, then I'm going to pull back so that you can see. So you see it's been released right there. Okay? Now, just imagine it's going towards the target once it disappears behind, like, looks like smoke. There, and the flash, and then that. Okay, now somebody said, now listen, it looks like it drops down. Okay, right? Yeah, we'll post this. Ingrid, we'll post this on the Facebook page. So listen, so this drops down. Now, somebody mentioned there's like a smoke, right? There's smoke, okay? That comes off like a pink smoke. So watch this. I didn't see it that time. Maybe we're too close.
What it would do, Dave, is it would drop out and then it would fire.
Right.
You know?
Yeah, there is something pink there. Well, I think it might already be in the sky. But watch this. The sky looks completely blue, doesn't it? Well, a little pink maybe. There it goes. And then it takes off. By the way, at a speed that you're not going to see. And especially the reason why this vehicle disappeared is because there's already smoke in the air. Right? There's already smoke in the air, but this looks like it just double imaged there. Look at this. Look at that. There's two of them now.
Yeah, it almost looks like three of them.
And they kind of disappear and they come back into one.
Could this be alien?
Could be. I mean, what kind of craft just sits there? It doesn't look like a helicopter. It could be an Apache. We're not going to see the rotors from this distance. It could be that type of a helicopter. So let's watch this again from back away. Drops out, takes off. You see the flash lower right corner, and then the explosion. Wow. And then look, somebody's saying, look after the explosion. And then it's back.
But I think he said he clipped it. I
Yeah.
wonder if he's got the whole video.
Yeah, see if he does. That would be awesome. And look how it goes back into two, guys. Right? Jason Jeffers says red clouds equal thermite. Good call. Why don't you guys see if you can research, like, suitcase bombs or nukes or low-level nukes, like what kind of fire they kick off, right?
Vincent Kennedy's post had some military guys on there.
Uh-huh.
And they were talking about the different combinations that could make that reddish brownish smoke.
Uh-huh.
But I just think there's the blast itself is something unique, to see that wave. I've only seen that with tactical nukes.
I've only seen it with nuclear.
You don't see that
No.
distinct wave.
Wow.
At least I haven't. And I'm kind of a bomb guy. I like to watch them. I mean, not as long as they're not killing people. They're, I always watch bombs if I can. And I've never seen that.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, other than you see it old footage of the nuclear bomb testing.
Okay, here we go. Watch the blue circle right there, and then the red circle. Whoa. This is tracking it all the way, guys. This is the bomb. Holy shit. We were right. We were right, and we just saw a glimpse of it. Watch this again. Boom. And this is after it left and it disappeared. We couldn't see it, but this angle they could see it. Whoa. Are you able to see this, Todd?
Yeah, it just came on. Yep. Yeah, it's dude, absolutely perfect. We got it.
Dude, so this would have been after it left the yep. the mothership. Oh my God.
Yep. That is a boom.
Oh my God. Share this video, guys. Share this tonight and tell them to wait to the end, because this is it right here. This is it. This is the nuke that was sent in. That is the bomb, folks.
Wow.
Look at that. What's the mainstream going to tell us? It's a bird. Look at the devastation. How many people were murdered today?
They're saying 500,000 children will go hungry tonight in Beirut because of that.
Oh my God.
That was on the mainstream media.
Well, if you ask Madeleine Albright about 500,000 children, she'll say it was worth it.
Right.
You guys remember that interview with Madeleine Albright when they asked her about, 500,000 Iraqi children dead after the invasion?
Yep.
And she said, they said, was it worth it? And she says, yeah, we think it was worth it.